In this video, I'll show you how to view archived passes in the Google Wallet. So go ahead and open up your wallet. Verify that it's me. Then at the bottom where it says view more, click on that. There you can see recent transactions and passes. If you click on view more passes, then click on archived passes. They'll show up here. You can see I've had a flight to Gdansk in Poland, Alicante in Spain, and then if I click on the top one where it says 3 passes, wait for them to load. Internet shocking today. There you can see there's 3 passes where I've been to some matches at Newcastle United. So yeah, that's how you view archived passes on the Google Play Store, sorry, in your Google Wallet.